The new year is coming up fast and it's time to get my life together for 2022. In this video, I'm cleaning, organizing, and decluttering almost every part of my life so that I can start the year feeling fresh. So I hope this inspires you to do the same, and let's get into it. Today is the day. I am on a mission today to transform my entire life and get it ready for the new year. I'm gonna be cleaning out my closet, my makeup, my skincare, my bathroom, my car, my digital things. Everything's a mess. Everything's a mess. We're gonna change that today. With the new year coming up, there is no better time than now. So join in with me on this. We can all get our shit together. That sounds like a lot of fun. Not really. To get to where we want to be in 2022, we need to do the hard work now, and so that's what I'm doing today. I am changing my life. I figured I'd start off in the bathroom because I haven't cleaned my bathroom in a minute and there's lots to be done. I'm gonna reorganize, I'm gonna just deep clean it in general, but I definitely need to go through my skincare, all of my extra stuff. I will show you what I'm talking about. This under part of my cabinet can honestly be a pretty scary space. So much collects under here. I obviously get a lot of PR, which is so amazing, but I feel like it all just... me trying to find a word. It all just collects under here. I've been through it a few times in maybe like the past 3 months, but I haven't in a while, so we're gonna go through that. My skincare little cabinet, I've gone through kind of recently, but I feel like I could do a little bit more here. In general, I feel like I'd like this countertop area in my bathroom to be a lot more minimal and clean. I just have random stuff lying around. Example A, this sack of Le Labo body lotion because I didn't want to pay for a full size. So we got this little sack right here, amazing. She needs some work. We're gonna do that. This is what I mean. This is strands of my hair because today was a hair washing day. Lots of cleaning and organizing to be done in this bathroom. I despise doing this the most. This is like my least favorite part of cleaning is the bathroom. So that's why I'm gonna do it first. Anyone out there watching this who wears makeup, when was the last time you washed your makeup brushes? Go wash your makeup brushes. Disgust. It's time to get down and dirty and get to the worst part, the actual cleaning. About to scrub the toilet, check. So fun. It looks like a little wand. Cute. 45 minutes later, it looks like I have literally done a workout because I kind of did, but the bathroom is done. That was no freaking joke. I do not wish to continue, but we will. These pants did their job of looking cute, but there's just no way. I am drenched. I feel like it could be kind of iconic to wear a skirt. Definitely iconic. Not the right time or the right place. I've settled for some cotton shorts. Now the next matter of business is taking care of my horrifyingly messy room. This is horrible because I'm already hot and sweaty, so this is definitely gonna get ugly out here. It's definitely a little frustrating knowing that most of this mess could have been avoided if I just put it away to begin with. But once the mess starts building, I just keep adding on to it, and I'm like, I can just do this later. It'll be so fun to do it all at once. This is not fun. The end result's gonna be very satisfying, so that's what I'm working towards, but I just need to clean this place up, and then I will go through everything, get rid of stuff, organize things a little more efficiently, but first things first, we gotta clean it up. Guess who finished cleaning 2 hours ago and then laid down on her bed for 2 hours? I don't want to do anything. I don't wish to continue, but I know I must because the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and that applies to a lot of things. I don't know where that quote just came from. I pulled that out of the depths of my brain, but it's very true. So we're gonna keep on trudging ahead. Right now, it is closet clean out time. Did you miss closet clean outs? Because I sure did. To be honest, I go through my closet once a month and just pick out things here and there to donate, but I want to do a massive closet clean out. The last time I filmed one was a while ago, and I feel like it looks so different even now. I was watching that video a few days ago just to see, and this whole thing used to be filled from here all the way to here, and look how much space I have now. So I've definitely made a lot of progress. These are literally all of like the t-shirts that I own now, and there used to be like 3 times as much. So I've definitely been a lot more conscious of what I'm buying and what I'm actually gonna wear and use. That's definitely a habit I wanna bring into the new year more, is to be more aware of things that I'm buying and be intentional with it, because I'm very tired of buying things, wearing them once or twice, and then donating them. It's just not a cycle I want to keep doing. I feel like I've definitely been gravitating towards more timeless pieces lately. I'll pick up a cute, trendy piece here and there, but that definitely doesn't make up my wardrobe as much anymore. It used to be a huge part, and now maybe like 5% of my wardrobe is like trendier pieces. So, let's begin. I dread doing this, but the bikinis need to be gone through. Getting rid of swimsuits takes a lot of willpower, and I don't have a lot of it when it comes to this. That does not fit. This also does not fit. My boobs definitely fall out of this one, so we're gonna have to say a farewell to her. I have 2 of these tops. They're the same print, but different styles. But I feel like I never wear the tie ones because my boobies always spill out. So I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, that's that. We made some okay progress. Now let's go through the one pieces. I love the print on this one, but it's so thin. You know what I have to say for today? Good enough. We're gonna pick it back up tomorrow and do more. Yay. Today's first order of business is cleaning out the car, something I have not done in far too long, longer than I'd like to admit. I definitely treat my car kind of like a storage unit. The front seat doesn't look too bad. The back seat doesn't look too bad. It's the trunk that really does it for me. Let me show you. There is so much stuff in here. I have a basketball. I played basketball once. I thought I was gonna like get into it and get really good. I played once and then never again. It's been like 6 months. Oof, another fallen hobby that I thought I might pursue was tennis. So I've been lugging around these 2 tennis rackets for the last 6 months. I went through a phase where I thought I was gonna change my personality and become this like sporty girl. It's not that it's dirty, which would be a whole other issue. It's mostly just that there's literally no room in my car for when I go on grocery runs or when I go shopping and I have to put stuff in the back. There has been no room. And so I really just want to clean this out because obviously it's nice to have room in your car for things that you actually need to have room for. I'll definitely keep this organizer. I'll put my tote bags and stuff in it. But I have like this jacket that I forgot existed until this moment. So cute. Wish I knew that a while ago. This, I'm sorry, but it's staying. I don't care if it seems pointless. Someone gave this to me at a meet and greet that I had. I think it was like 2018, and she knew I love bread. I love croissants. So this means a lot to me. I have socks. Don't need these in here. I mainly just want to put bags. I also have these yoga mats when I thought yoga was like my newfound passion and thing in life. I don't know what to do with all this. The main issue is definitely just the amount of towels that I have. I definitely think like 1 or 2 backup towels in case I end up going to the beach on a random day would be good. I don't really have any place to put my fins. I might. Let's see. And here she is. I literally have so much more space now. The back of my car really isn't big in general, but that definitely cleared up a lot of space, so that's done. I am now in the back seat. That is yet another dumping zone for me. Whenever I have stuff in the front, chuck it to the back, out of sight, out of mind. Not a good method to use. Let's see what I have. Oh, I have a Target gift card. I forgot I had that. I've been looking for this for a while. This is my phone tripod. That would have been nice to have. I have this basket, but this stuff belongs in the back. Oh my gosh, my hat. I have been wanting to wear and find this hat for so long. The color's so cute. It's a New York hat. Hello. That's a return. Oh, I've been looking for this shirt too. Okay. And just like that, my car is free of clutter. I did the glove box. I did the glove compartment. I have not done that since I got my car 2 years ago. It is 10 o'clock at night. I just got a burst of motivation to clean my closet, not clothing wise, but all the junk wise. Example A. So much stuff. Also, this little cart is filled with unnecessary things, so I'm gonna go through my closet. This is me striking while the iron is hot, motivation-wise, because I never have motivation to clean out the junk side of my closet, just with all random stuff. Here we go.